Good morning, students. Welcome to Lord's Group of Schools, Day 8. Now, in the previous class, how to identify the linear equation one variable and linear equation two variables. Next, to how to identify the types of lines without drawing. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2 is parallel lines are inconsistent. They have no solution. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, that time that are called intersecting lines, are consistent, they have only one solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. These are called, this type of lines are coincident or dependent lines, have many solutions. Next, how to find the unknown values. For example, for what value of P? For what value of P, for what value of P, 2x plus Py, 2x plus Py is equal to minus 5 and 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. Now like that given any equation, 2x plus Py is equal to minus 5, 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. In a given linear equations, if any variable coefficient or constant will be absent in the presence of any letters are present, that can compulsory mention the one condition. Here what is saying? Consistent or intersecting. So then what is the value? Mean these two lines are consistent lines. Then what value is P value? Means first of all, in a given two linear equations, you have to observe x and y variables are one side, constant one side in first equation. Second equation also variables one side, constant one side is not a problem. That time first you have to write 2x plus Py minus 5 translate here plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Next, you have to represent a1, b1, c1 from first equation. A means x coefficient only always, a1, 2, b1, p, c1, 5. Next comes to the second equation, a2, 3, b2, 3, c2, 6. After completion this one, here clear mention what type of lines is saying. These two are consistent. Means consistent lines condition you have to write first. Given lines are intersecting or consistent, whatever. Means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Because in problem only said these are consistent lines, that time the condition you have to write. A1 place 2, A2 3 not equal to B1 P, B2 3. Now simply you have to observe not equal only, this one transfer to here, 2 into 3 by 3 is not equal to P. 3 will be cancelled. P not equal to 2. Means what is the meaning? In the place of P except 2, you take any other number. These two lines are always consistent except 2. Therefore, the value of P is except to any number. Except 2. If you are taking place of P2, that are not intersecting, equal will getting. So, you are not equal means except this number. When you are taking place of P, these lines are acting as a consistent. This is the model. Next to second question. Two x 2x minus ky, 2x minus ky plus 3 is equal to 0, one equation. Second one is 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here two lines are given. What he has the question? Given that are parallel, then find k. This is the question. Means what are the given two equations? These two equations are parallel. Then what is the value of k? Means when you take place of k, what number? These two are acting as a parallel. First of all, what are the given lines? Write it. 2x minus ky plus 3 is equal to 0. 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0. In a first equation, x coefficient a1 2, y coefficient b1 minus k c1 3. Second equation, x coefficient a2 4, b2 6, c2 minus 5. After completion, clearly mentioned these two are parallel. Means given lines are parallel. Means that condition, parallel condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Substitute 2 by a2 4 is equal to minus k by b2 6 is not equal to 3 by minus 5. Now this is, you have to leave it. These two are equal. In these two parts only k value is there. You need k only. These two you have to take. 2 by 4 is equal to minus k by 6. Just you have to translate here 6. 2 into 6 by 4 asterisk is equal to minus k. Now 2 ones are 2 2s the cancellation. Next again 2 table 2 ones are 2 3s are. Means 3 is equal to minus k. Therefore you have to write k is equal to minus 3. When you take in place of k minus 3, these two lines are acting as a parallel. Only when you take in place of k minus 3. In this case only these given two lines are acting as a parallel. Next to same model, one more question. What is px plus 3y minus of p minus 3 is equal to 0? An equation. Second equation, 12x plus py minus p is equal to 0. Here what asking? Find the value of p. Letter p is present. When given lines are dependent, what he asked the question textbook, many solutions said. So any one condition must and should. In a given two equations, first of all, given two equation px plus 3y minus of p minus 3 is equal to 0. 12x plus py minus p is equal to 0. X coefficient a1 is equal to p, b1 3, constant without variables c1 minus r p minus 3. Next comes to a2 12, b2 p, c2 minus p. What is said after representation clearly mentioned in a problem. Many solution is said. Which type of lines are containing many solutions? Coincident or dependent lines. So what is the condition of coincident lines? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Why you applying this condition? Means in a problem clearly mentioned many solutions. Which type of lines containing many solutions? Dependent lines or coincident lines. The condition for coincident lines is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now A1 place P by A2 12, B1 3, B2 P is equal to minus of P minus 3 by C2 minus P. In every ratio consisting P, all ratios are equal here. You take any two ratio, you need P value. Now easy process, I will take this 2 now. P by 12 is equal to 3 by P. Now transfer, this one transfer. P into P, P square, 12 into 3, 36. A square is there, if possible you have to write this one as square form, 6. Minus 6 into minus 6 is equal to plus 36 only. 6 into 6 also 36 only. In these 2 times you are getting plus 36. That's why plus or minus 6 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. P is equal to plus or minus 6. So P place you have to take plus 6 or minus 6. In some cases this type of question, what is the positive P value? That you take only positive number. If not mentioned here positive or negative, that time must and should have to consider P value plus 6 and minus 6. This is the model. Next comes to how to prepare the linear equation. If any one sentence is given, prepare the linear equation. For example, the cost of 5 chairs and 7 tables is 1,200 rupees, and 4 chairs and 9 tables is 1,500 rupees. Prepare a pair of linear equation. He asks the question, not asking what is the cost of chair, what is the cost of table. Just he asks the question like that. Given one sentence, the cost of 5 chairs and 7 tables is 200 rupees together, and 4 chairs and 9 tables cost is 1,500 rupees. Then you have to prepare the pair of linear equation. That time here what objects are present you have to identify first of all. Here object chair and table. Here number of chairs, how many in each case you know that. That time you have to take first, let cost of 1 chair X rupees. Cost of 1 table is Y rupees. These two must and should have to write these 2 steps. What is according to first condition? 5 chairs, 7 tables. For example, 1 pen cost 5 rupees. What about 3 pens cost? 3 into 5 only gives to the total value, right? Like that. Here 1 chair cost X rupees. In a first condition, how many chairs? 5 chairs. 1 pen cost, 1 chair cost X rupees means 5 chair cost 5x plus 7 tables, 1 table cost Y, 7 tables 7y. The together cost 1200 rupees. This is an equation. Comes to second condition, 4 chairs 4x plus 9 tables 9y is equal to 1,500 rupees. This is the pair of linear equations according to using condition. This preparation of the linear equation is a objective wise is asking or based on ages also asking. Based on ages, how to ask? See now, for example, based on age, 5 years ago A was thrice as old as B, and 10 years later A shall be twice as old as B. Prepare the pair of linear equation and then find the ages. Like that asking question ages. Very easy on ages. First of all, before 5 years or 5 years ago, na, both are same. Later or after, both are same. Before or ago means that you have to subtract that many years. Later and after means that many years you have to add. So before and after, that before you need what is the present ages. Let present age of A X years I am taking. Present age of B 5 years. Present age of A X years. Present age of B Y years. Okay, clear present ages. First condition, 5 years ago. Ago means back. That many years subtracted from present ages. Let age of A is equal to present X. You need 5 years ago. That's why X minus 5 years. Age of B Y minus 5 years. Okay. 5 years ago, 2 persons' ages, you got it. After that, condition what he has, A was thrice as old as B. Means in this case, 5 years ago, A age is X minus 5 is thrice means 3 of age of B Y minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 3 5s of 15. Now x plus 3y transit here minus 3y minus 5 transit here plus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is first equation. One equation completed. Second, what is it? And 10 years later means after 10 years. Present age X years. After 10 years. Age. Present age X. After 10 means plus 10. Next to B age. Y plus 10 years. Means back ago means you have to subtract it from present ages. After means you have to add that much to present ages. In this case, what is it? 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. Means A age is equal to X plus 10 is equal to twice means 2 of as old as B age, Y plus 10. X plus 10 is equal to 2 into Y, 2Y plus 20. X asterisk plus 2Y transit here minus 2Y plus 10 minus 20 is equal to 0. X minus 2Y minus 10 is equal to 0. These two are pair of linear equation. If asking, prepare the pair of linear equation means up to this much completed. In case, and find the pages. If asking that what you got pair of equation, you have to solve these two equations. Solve 1 and 2. See now. X minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Next to x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. In these two cases, you have to observe same coefficients are same. Just to change the symbol minus plus plus. Plus x minus x will be cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y minus y plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 is equal to 0. Minus y plus 20 transit to that side minus 20. minus minus will be cancelled, y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20. This y value substitute in equation 2 r1. In equation 1. Now x minus 2 into y value 20 minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 40 minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 40 minus 10 minus 50 is equal to 0. X is equal to 50. Means present age of A is 50 years. Present age of B is 20 years. This model you have to asking question. Preparing linear pair of linear equation is up to enough. If you want to find the ages means like that you have to move. Next comes to in a 10th class some students are there. 10 students are there. Your textbook problem this one exercise first exercise. 10 students of a 10th class. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Total number of students. 10. Once again I will repeat the question. In a class 10 students of 10th class, the number of girls 4 more than the number of boys. Then find the girls and boys. Means total number of students is 10. Here what is the condition? If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Number of girls 4 more than the number of boys. This is the condition. Now we have to observe girls and boys total 10 students. Condition what is number of girls 4 more than the number of boys. Means girls number is depends upon the boys number. That's why first of all you take let number of boys x, number of girls. Here how many boys are there? 4 members more, that is gives the number of girls. More means addition, boys plus 4. Means boys and girls. Boys and girls. Sum of these two only total 10 members. So x plus 4 is equal to 10. X plus x 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10 plus 4 transit here minus 4. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. 3. X is equal to 3. X means representation boys. Number of boys 3. Number of girls 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 3 10 total. This is solving is only one variable only selected, one variable. But if asking a question through two variables express the equation means that how to find. See, let number of boys x, number of girls y. Here according to problem, total students, number of students 10. Means boys plus girls is 10. X plus y is equal to 10. This is equation 1. Next in a given problem, condition is number of girls means y. Number of girls is equal to 4 more than the number of boys. Number of boys plus 4. Number of girls represented with y. Number of boys represented with x plus 4. Now plus x when you transfer to this side minus x plus y is equal to 4. Equation 2. Now I have to solve the equations. Solve 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 10 minus x plus y is equal to 4. Now here both are coefficients same, different symbols are present. In this case, no need multiplication, no need symbol changing. Then you have to cancel these two, plus x minus x, y plus y, 2y. 10 plus 4, 14. Y is equal to 14 by 2. 2 sevens are. Y value completed 7. This y value substitute here or here. Now x plus y plus I will write 7 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 7. X is equal to 3. Means y value got it. This y value substitute in equation 1. X as t is place of y7 is equal to 10. 7 transfer here minus 7, x value 3. X means number of boys 3. Y means number of girls 7. The same value you got it. If asking, generally asking, you have to write must and should in a pair of linear equation, two variables means like that only you have to follow. In two ways you have to complete the problem.